And the new engine is here. I'm probably going to start this video out with the time lapse of pulling it at the junkyard, but it's a 5.3 out of an '02 Tahoe, or Suburban, I think, I don't remember. But spun over good, no holes in the block, valves look good. So went ahead and pulled it. We pulled a different intake manifold off of another car and then a throttle body off of another truck. So this is a non-EGR intake. I don't know if it's going to work. It may be too high. We'll see. And then a cable throttle body. I've definitely just made a lot more work for myself going LS instead of small block, but I think in the end it's going to be worth it. Reliability, being able to thrash on it. So there is a couple things I got to tweak. I need a smaller power steering pulley. Alternator cannot stay there, so I'll get the relocation bracket that sets it into here. Headers are going to be a little weird. The factory headers do not fit with these all-star mounts. I also need to tweak them. They don't really sit flush. They've got a gap, so I don't know. May end up building like a wedged spacer to fit in between, which would raise the engine up a little bit, but I think it'd be alright, considering how low the oil pan is. This is a truck oil pan, so I'm gonna get a different one that'll be a lot more brought up, but yeah, the front clears pretty good. A little bit of daylight under there, so I'm happy about that. These bosses on the engine hit a little bit, so I have to do a little bit of cutting there. I think the same thing on this side. Yeah. But there she is. Like I said, I definitely probably made it a lot harder on myself, but I think it's going to be worth it in the end. A little bit more work, about the same cost is what I needed to freshen up that small block. I mean, hopefully this doesn't need freshened up. I'm just going to do gaskets in a cam and go from there. But I'm thinking about getting some turbo style manifolds, flipping them up and running them out the back and then down. But I got a new bell housing on the way to bolt up to this, and then I'll be cutting those mounts out, and I think I can make what I need to make this work out of those. So should be interesting. A little bit more work. I'm kind of taking a couple steps back here, but should be a lot better in the end, I think. I know LSs aren't cool anymore, but you can't beat them for the price and the power and what you can do out of the box with them. So that's going to be it for now. Hopefully everyone enjoyed it. Thanks for stopping by, checking it out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Helps me out when you guys watch these videos and get my views up and stuff. So thanks for watching.